Category Cisco protocols. Category Talk from Wikipedia, the Free Encyclopedia. These are routing and communication protocols developed and maintained by Cisco systems. Standardized protocols that are deployed in Cisco products are not listed here now. Some standard protocols may be listed here because the page shows that they were developed based on a Cisco proprietary protocol that does not have its own page. Pages in category Cisco protocols. The following 25 pages are in this category, out of 25 total. This list may not reflect recent changes. Cisco Discovery Protocol, Cisco compatible extensions, Dynamic Multi-Point Virtual Private Network, Dynamic Trunking Protocol, Enhanced Interior Achievement Routing Protocol, Edge Protocol, Achievement Load Balancing Protocol, Home Networking Administration Protocol, Hot Standby Router Protocol. Cisco Switch Link, Internet Interior Achievement Routing Protocol, Interlink Networking, Layer 2 Forwarding Protocol, Lightweight Extensible Authentication Protocol, Long Reach Ethernet, NetFlow, On-Demand Routing, Port Aggregation Protocol, Skin Client Control Protocol, Spatial Reuse Protocol, TACACS, Unidirectional Link Detection, Virtual LAN Management Policy, Virtual LAN Trunking Protocol, Web Cache Communication Protocol. Web Cache Communication Protocol, WCP, is a Cisco developed content routing protocol that provides a mechanism to redirect traffic flows in real time. It has built-in load balancing, scaling, fault tolerance, and service assurance fail-safe mechanisms. Cisco iOS release 12.1 and later releases allow the use of either version 1 WCP version 1 or version 2 WCP version 2 of the protocol. WCC allows utilization of Cisco cache engines or other caches running WCP to localize web traffic patterns in the network, enabling content requests to be fulfilled locally. Traffic localization reduces transmission cost and download time. Protocol versions: WCP version 1, only a single router services a cluster of systems. Supports HTTP TCP port 80. Traffic flows only. Provides generic routing encapsulation (GRE) to prevent packet modification. Routers and cache engines communicate to each other via a control channel based on UDP port 2048. WCP version 2 allows for use across up to 32 routers. The WCP service supports up to 32 engines, accelerators. WCP clients supports any IP protocol including any TCP or UDP. Supports up to 255 service groups, 0 to 254. As an MD5 shared secret security. Primary WCP functions: registration, accelerator, or engine is a WCP client. Registers WCP services 0 to 254 with here I am. If application is operational, application is operational. Registration announces WCP client on service group, provides availability notification requests. Interesting traffic transmits here I am every 10 seconds. Lead WCP client lowest IP address. Instructs routers on protocol port assignment, forwarding and return methods. Router is a WCP server. Accepts service group registrations 0 to 254. Acknowledges here I am with ICU. Waits 3 times 10 seconds before declaring engine failed. Announce engines to other engines. Router ID is the highest interface IP or highest loopback IP if one exists. Redirects traffic to engine. Assignment selects an engine in the cluster. Hash 256 buckets. Mask 128 buckets represented by 7-bit mask of the course or destination IP port. Redirect from router to cache engine. Redirect list allows router to permit deny traffic to intercept. Two methods of redirection: WCP L2 local subnet only, little overhead, rewrites packet MAC address to that of the local engine. WCP GRE any IP subnet or more overhead, creates tunnel from router to local or remote engine. Return from cache engine to router. WCP GRE return. WCP L2 return. Engine can optionally return traffic any other way, including routing. Products that implement WCP P. Whilst originally designed for Cisco's content cache appliance, they have since added support to other products, including ASR 1000 routers, Application and Content Network System, ACNS, Wide Area Application Services, WAAS, ASA/PIX, firewalls. Some iOS versions are import S-Series web security appliance, next to 7000 switches. Other vendors have also implemented WWCP support into their products, as it allows clustering and transparent deployment on networks using Cisco routers and switches without additional hardware. WWCP is of particular use to vendors of web cache proxy security appliances for redirecting of web traffic. Please note that some vendors did not follow these standards when implementing WWCP, and this could result in intercompatibility problems. The list includes company and the product, Array Networks, Accelera, Edgewave, iPrism Wave, Web Achievement Way, ATEM Networks, Transverse Cache Switching, TCS,